Ki Nongilam Jong Sang Voice of the People's Party ha Jinglam Jong Secretary ke Parti u Dr. Rieh Sengkon kapan pau ya ke Jing Sokya halor ke Jingja ya Snam ke belajar Manipur. Kabalane ala kato ke Nepor bat kabala ilam ru sya ke Jingdu no jong ki man simbreu. Ha ke bau teu no ilam ula kentu ya barok ki nong song jong jela ban pene pensa ya ke Jing Song Suk Song Sany bat ha ke ju ke por ula kentu ya ke sarkar jela bagade ban penyang sobha ya ki ban aye jakasa sipor. Ong Dr. Rieh Sengkon ubari Secretary Jong Seng VPP hak Jingkhein bat kelat pathai khubor hadin ga jingdek ICT yau ba Preston Tensong ubari Deputy Chief Minister Jong Jela bat hak ju khubor ubari Menteri Jong Sarkar Jela ubari pej ya katanat kampoyeng. Haba ai Jingkhein Dr. Rieh Sengkon ulai tu ru ba ke sarkar ke deban Shim Jingkhein ya kipat nong song Jong Jela Manipur kibalawan bansa sipor hajela Meghalaya. U Dr. Rieh Sengkon ula kenturu ya sarkar bikin persyang ban lum Jingkhein ya ke Jingwan Sahshngain jong kipat ba Manipur ba ondah bala jai ke Jinglong Jingman hapo ke jela jongki kin haban lei phaibyang sela ke jong senong. La ban kero ke Jingja hapo jela Manipur kala de ba pen khusla ya baro ke nong senong jong than chtai lam ingi khamtam ya ke jela Meghalaya namar ke Jingja ya Snam.
Yes, actually from the party we were very concerned with what is going on in Manipur, and especially when we came to know that a good number of refugees have come to our state from Manipur. So we sent a letter to the Home Minister requesting him that proper records of all these refugees who have come to our state to be maintained, so that once the situation in Manipur becomes congenial and hopefully peaceful, so that these people should return to the state where they came from. And we would like to put record, and we appreciate the effort taken by the government to, on humanitarian ground, to allow our fellow beings who have been affected by this situation in Manipur. And so, but at the same time, we thought it would be in the interests of our state, interests of our people, that these refugees who have come to our state to return once normalcy is restored in Manipur. So that's all the letter that we have from the side of the party. Just in case it has not done so, so we thought that it's good to take the initiative from our side so that the government will do the needful in this matter.